with tortillas. Hey guys, got these gross store-bought tortillas. We've been playing frisbee with them all morning. Let's go ahead and get rid of them. All right, now let's go make some real tortillas. All right, so first what we're gonna do is add in 2 cups of flour. Now we're gonna add in a ½ teaspoon of salt and a ½ teaspoon of baking powder. Mix that together. You can grab a whisk. What I like to use a little fork. All right, now we're gonna go ahead and put in 3 tablespoons of olive oil. We're gonna get ourselves some water. We're gonna pour in a little bit of water at a time, mixing it up as we go until we reach the right consistency. And once you can see that most of the flour has combined, then let's go ahead and get our hands dirty. So put some flour on your hands, like you're almost washing your hands with the flour, and get your hands in there. And as you can see, it's sticking to my hands pretty good, so we're gonna add a little bit more flour. All right, we're gonna keep kneading until we reach the consistency of sticky, but it isn't sticking to your hands, right? Now we can take it out of the bowl, and we're just gonna knead it like we're kneading bread dough, okay? We just wanna get a nice good consistency. If we have to lay down a little bit of flour, that's okay. Now what we're gonna do, since we have our perfect dough ball, is we're gonna start pinching off pieces of dough, and we're gonna roll it up in our hands. You want to have your stovetop nice and hot, usually between, if your stovetop goes from a dial of 0 to 1, you want it at about a 7. You want to get it nice and hot, so then your tortilla plumps up with steam. That's what it's going to look like. Hey guys, thanks for watching Variant Cooking. Remember to like, subscribe, and tell all your friends. Make a comment or suggestion down below of what you want to see next, and keep an eye out for future videos. Bye, love you. Yep.